Welcome to the course overview of Learning Puppet. My name is Toni Schmidbauer and I'm going to be your host for the duration of this course. Let's start with a few words about myself. I've been working with various Unix, Linux and BSD systems for the last 17 years. I started working with configuration management tools back in 2005 with CF Engine and switched to Puppet in 2010. Currently, I'm responsible for a larger Puppet infrastructure containing around 2000 nodes running Linux, Solaris and AIX. Let's talk about the course overview now and the things we're going to cover. We will start with the basics of configuration management in the section Getting Started with Puppet. First, we cover the theoretical background of configuration management and why it is useful. I promise, there's going to be only one video covering theory. We'll also hear how to set up a basic Puppet environment and the basics of running Puppets. In section Going Deeper with Puppet Manifests, we will talk about the most important resource types that Puppet is able to manage. Resource types are the things you would like to manage with Puppet, for example packages, files or system services. The section Managing Dependencies covers how to bring order into resource management. Next, we will talk about how we can execute arbitrary system commands with Puppet in the section Executing System Commands with Puppet. This section will also mention how to create cron jobs with Puppet. Writing Puppet modules is all about the basics of writing good, reusable Puppet code. We will learn about classes and how they are used within the Puppet language. In the last part of this section, we'll start writing our own NTP module for managing the time synchronization daemon NTPD. In the last section, Getting Started with Templates, we are going to extend the NTP module from the previous section with the help of templates. Templates allow us to create flexible configuration files with Puppet. Now a few words about the prerequisites for this course. You should have basic Linux system administration knowledge, like installing packages and running basic commands. I'm going to use the VI editor for editing code during this course, so basic VI knowledge is a plus. But you can use whatever editor you like to follow the examples. First, let's talk about the goal of the course. At the end of this course, you will be able to run Puppet on a single system. You will also be able to manage the most important system resources like packages, services or files with Puppet. So managing a smaller number of systems with Puppet is not going to be a problem for you. So that's all for the overview. I hope to see you back for our first video, What is Configuration Management?